Sermon number 189. Steadfast and transient belief. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. One belief is that which is firm and steadfast in hearts, and one is that which remains temporarily in the heart and the breast up to a certain time. If you were to acquit yourself before any person, you should wait till death approaches him, for that is the time limit for being acquitted. And immigration stands as its original position. Allah has no need towards him who secretly accepts belief or him who openly does so. Immigration will not apply to anyone unless he recognizes the proof of Allah on the earth. Whoever recognizes him and acknowledges him would be an immigrant. Istidaf, that is freedom from the obligation of immigration, does not apply to him whom the proof of Allah reaches and he hears it and his heart preserves it. The challenge: ask me, before you miss me. Certainly, our case is difficult and complicated. No one can bear it except a believer whose heart Allah has tried with belief. Our traditions will not be preserved except by trustworthy hearts and men of solid understanding. A people. Ask me before you miss me, because certainly I am acquainted with the passages of the sky more than the passages of the earth, and before that mischief springs upon its feet which would trample even the nose string and destroy the wits of the people.